Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is your fingers doing inside your mouth? Dirty. Jason, do you know the rhyme, Jason? Pentagon.
Pentagon has three sides. சரி ஒரு வாட்டி பாடிட்டு தூங்கலாம். The Pentagon.
ஒரே வாட்டி பாடுங்க. Come on, one time for ma'am.
தெரியும்லடா. பாடு. சாக்லேட் தருவீங்க இப்ப சாக்லேட். Pentagon பாட்டு பாடு. The Pentagon has five sides, a Pentagon has five sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Mahini, do you know the rhyme? Pentagon rhyme.
A pentagon has five sides, has five sides, has five sides. A pentagon has five sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, very good. Well done. Ananya, do you know pentagon rhyme? Ananya
Pentagon
has 5 sides.
has my
Has 5 sides.
has my side.
A pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't know the rhyme, right? Come on, you should learn tomorrow, okay? Yes, Mitra, do you know the rhyme? Mitra, do you know the rhyme?
A pentagon has five sides, has five sides.
Okay. A pentagon has 5 sides.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Well done. Varsha, you know the rhyme? Pentagon rhyme.
Five sides.
Has 5 sides.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Hope everyone have finished your worksheet. Come on, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Ready? Kids the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, open up your eyes. Very good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Yes, very good morning. Why all of you are very lazy in the morning itself? Come on, stand up, all of you. Stand up, all of you. Do the action. Stand up. Ready? Yes, action time. Okay. First action is running. How will you run? Run, run, run fast. No slow motion running and all. Run fast. Run. Yeah. Now jumping. Come on, all of you, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Yeah, next fly, fly, fly. How will you fly? Flap your wings and fly. Fly. And then crying. How will you cry? Oh, is this the way you all will cry? Okay, fine. Now a big laugh, big and loud laugh. Yes, unmute yourself and laugh. Let me hear. Laugh. How will you laugh? Yes, a loud laugh. How will you laugh? Yes, when you see a big ice cream. Yes, when your parents buy you an ice cream and give you, how will you laugh? Ah, like that, no? Okay, fine. Now are you all ready for the warm-up activity? Come on. Yes. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Giraffe. Yes, very good, all of you. Go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance. Very good, Dashwan. Hazel. Yes, very good, Hazel. Jason. Yes, good, Jason. Keshav. Very good, Keshav. Radhyarni. Very good, Radhyarni. Rudwin. Very good, Rudwin. Sarah. Sarah. Ananya. Very good, Ananya. Sukhreep Gautam. Very good, Sukhreep Gautam. Yes, good, ma. Visha. Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Mahirini. Very good, Mahirni. Mitra. 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 Mitra, I'm marking you, Mitra. Yes, good, Mitra. Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar. Absent. Varsha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Vihan. Vihan is also absent. Okay, children. First of all, come on, show me all your imaginary sheets. Yes, have you all colored your imaginary sheets? Have you all colored your sheet? Yes. Show me, let me see all your sheets. Yes, good, Radyarni. Rudvin, very good. Sukrit, good. Sukrit, have you colored? It's very light. Yes, Hazel. Jason. Nisha, where is your sheet?
மேம் ஸ்கூலுக்கு போயிருக்காரு மேம் வாங்கிட்டு
Okay, let him come back. Okay. Fine. Mitra, where is your sheet? Very good, Hazel. Good.
We don't have the kit with us, and also we are in native place. We can't take this.
Okay, fine. No problem. And then Dashwan Velan and Kavi Karthika.
Ma'am, evening we will send, ma'am. Still not done.
Okay, fine. So this is the sheet that we are going to do it today. Okay, first we'll finish off with our rhymes and worksheet, and then we'll do it. Keep it safely, children. Okay, first is our rhyme session. Who is going to sing Over, Over? Who is going to sing? Let me ask. Ah.
Beside your bed, find the ashore. Take the I'll fire. Busy, busy, bee. Six as very as
Legs has she. Very good. Okay, next is Over, Over, Sukrit Gautam.
Over, into the court. Over, the feet. The stage, the tortoise stage. Over,
Candy bee. Okay, very good. And then next, who knows the butterfly rhyme? First comes the butterfly. Who knows? Hazel. Forms the chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Okay, ma'am will sing for you, children. Okay. First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Okay. And the next rhyme is pentagon rhyme. Pentagon, who is going to sing pentagon? Yes, who is going to sing pentagon? Yes, Mitra. Yes, Mitra. Has 5 sides.
Has 5 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. And our next rhyme is rocket, rocket. Who is going to sing rocket, rocket? Who will sing?
Going up a sleigh. Let's go on moonlit.
Yes.
Worshiping, saying goodbye. The astronauts.
In his rocket. Hi, very good. All of you know these rhymes are well done, children. Very good. And next is our phonics recap session. Yes, last week we learned 2 sounds, right? What was those and what was the action? What is the CH? CH? Cha. Very good. CH, cha. And the action is like this. Cha, 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 cha. Okay. And then next is SH. SH. What is the sound of SH? Very good, children. Radyani, listen. What is the sound of CH? Hazel? What is the sound of CH? CH. Cha, cha, cha. Okay. And what is the sound of SH? Very good. Today we are going to learn another new sound, that is TH. TH. And the sound is th. Okay. And the sound is th. 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 THE, the we say, right? Th. You will shake your head and say th. Okay. Sound is th. 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 Thumb. Th. Th. Thunder. Th. Th. 30. 30. Th. Th. 3. In all these you will get TH sound. Th. Th. Th sound. Okay. So that worksheet only we are going to do. For that I want you to take worksheet number D94PH. Sorry, D93PH. We'll finish the SH sound and then we'll finish TH sound, okay? D93PH. Take your worksheet and write today's date. Today's date is 22-11-11-2121. Day is Monday and the month is November. I already showed you the related pictures also, children. Sh sound. SH is sheep, shoe, shark, shirt, ship, shell. Ananya's mom, do you have the sheet?
Ma'am, we don't have that sheet, ma'am.
This sheet also you don't have, huh?
Yeah.
On the day I asked her to check it whether it's in between any other days.
Yeah.
Did she check it?
Yeah. We are checking to find it, but we could not able to trace that. It is not there, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I want you to write these words in English notebook and give it to her. Let her copy it. Sheep, shoe, shark, shirt, ship, and shell.
Okay.
Come on, start tracing, children. On top of it, you write SH sound words. Ananya's dad, you please check in workbook number 4 also. When you have time, you please check in workbook number 4. Now we are doing workbook number 3, right?
Yeah. Let me check.
Yeah, afterwards when you are free, you check in book number 4 also.
Okay, fine.
And please let me know. Dashwan and Kavi Kartika, no talking. Come on, write. SHEEP, sheep. SHOE, shoe. SHARK, shark. How will you blend the word shark? SH is SHARK, shark. Next is SHIRT, shirt. SHIP, ship. Ship also you can blend it easily. SH sounds sh. I sounds E, P sounds P. Ship. Next is shells. SHELLS. Shells.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good.
Ramale teri keep. Ma'am.
Yes, very good, Keshav.
Such goat.
SHEEP. Sheep.
Sheep. Sheep. No. Shoe.
SHOE. Shoe. SHARK. Shark. SHIRT. Shirt. SHIP. Ship. SHELLS. Yes, very good, Magisha. Shells. Yes, very good, Radyarni.
Shoe. Shark. The shirt மட்டும் எழுதிட்டேன் இதெல்லாம் எழுதிக்கல
Come on, write Dashwan.
எழுது
I'm watching you both. Come on, write both of you. Otherwise, I'll call your mama and say everything. Come on, write fast.
ஃபுல்லா எழுதணும்
கொஞ்சம் நேரம் கொடுறா நான் யாரை கொத்துட்டேன்
Finished, everyone. Still, who is writing? Darshan and Kavi Kartika, mute yourself.
Supreme writing, ma'am.
Right, Masukri. Right. Jason, Hazel, Mitra.
Last one.
Yes.
Yes, Varsha, you also can copy down in a notebook, Varsha.
Yes, ma'am. She's writing, ma'am.
Yeah, fine.
Shirts. Very good.
One magic board.
அது ஒன் மாதிரி தான் நான் எல்லுன்னு சொல்லணும் எப்படி இருக்கு தாண்டி
Follow the line, children. Finish. Very good, Jason. Still, who is writing?
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, Mahirni, finish. Very good girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out the pictures, Mahirni. Unmute yourself and read out the pictures.
Which one, ma'am? This pictures, okay. அதெல்லாம் ரீட் பண்ணுங்க. What is this? சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க. H.
Shell.
Sheep.
What is this?
Shell.
Okay. What is SHA?
Shark.
Oh, okay.
Good.
SHI.
Baby shark.
இங்க பாரு இதுல.
Next, SHIRT.
Okay, baby shark.
Shirt.
SHI.
Shirt.
Next.
SHI.
Baby shirt.
Shirt.
Okay. Next picture, ma'am.
Baby boy.
SH கீழ எழுத போறேன். SHIP.
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 Baby boat.
SHIP
Ship.
spell. Ship.
Ship.
Baby
Okay.
ship.
Okay.
Baby ship. Okay, next.
SHELLS.
Baby shell.
Shell
Shells.
Okay.
Okay, shells. Okay, shall we
Okay.
move on to the next worksheet, children? Next worksheet is D95PH. That is the sound. TH, the. D95PH. Here you are going to just add the sound. That's it. Bath, thumb, mouth, teeth, thorn, think, thunder, tree, th. Okay? Come on, add TH to these pictures. BATH, bath. BATH, bath. Next is thumb, thumb. THUMB, thumb. Thumb. Next is mouth. MOUTH, mouth. And next is teeth. TEETH, teeth. Teeth. Next is thorn. THORN, thorn. THORN, thorn. Next is think. THINK, think. THINK, think. Next is thunder. THUNDER, thunder. UN is un, DER is thunder, thunder. Next is three. THREE, three. Just add TH to all those pictures, children. Bath, thumb, mouth, teeth, thorn, think, thunder, tree. Finish? Those who have finished, take your imaginary sheets, children. And turn the back side of your sheet. Here, back side, you have some fill-ups to fill in. That will finish it up first. Okay? So those who have finished, take your Allosaurus sheet, turn it back. On top of it, here you write today's date. Today's date 2222-1111-2121. It's finished, everyone? Finished your worksheet? Yes, good, Ananya.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, good, Mitra. Yes, good, Visha.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, good, ma.
Finished, ma'am.
Yeah, good, Radyani. Children, make it fast. Keshav, finish, ma. Take your imaginary sheet and write the date here, children. In this corner, write today's date.
Tonight.
What?
I don't have.
You don't have a, okay, fine, no problem.
Ma'am,
Here you
sorry.
write today's, yes?
Ma'am, Ananya leaving earlier, ma'am, today for 10 minutes.
Okay, fine. Yes, bye, Mananya. Okay, fine. Here we are going to fill up the blanks now. So, we are going to learn about Allosaurus first. Okay. So, Allosaurus is a type of dinosaur. It is a very scary dinosaur. Okay.
Yep. This is Lazarus.
And it is a carnivorous animal. What do you mean by carnivorous animal? Carnivorous animal means it feeds on other animals for their food. It will not eat those leaves, grass and all. Carnivorous animals will feed on flesh of other animals, okay? And they have a large head with dozens of sharp and pointy teeth. Sharp and pointy teeth irundadana they'll be able to bite the other animals. So they have very sharp and pointy teeth. And they were so big that they used to hunt other large dinosaurs also. Okay, now let's start doing our first blank. The dinosaur on this sheet is Allosaurus. Allosaurus. Look at the screen for the spelling and write, children. A L L O S A A U R U S. Allosaurus. A L L O S A U R U S. Right in that boxes given there. Small boxes given, right? In that boxes you write Allosaurus. Those who don't have the sheets, write in your English notebook. Copy down the answers. When you get back the sheets, you can copy it down, okay? Allosaurus.
Ma'am, can you say me which sheet, ma'am? I'm not sure.
Allosaurus sheet.
This is
I've
the
already showed you, right? Yeah, that's the sheet turned back. Yeah, you have that fill in the blanks, right? The dinosaur on this sheet is Allosaurus. You have to fill in that boxes.
okay, ma'am. Sorry. Thanks.
Yeah, fine. No problem. A L L O S A U R U S. Allosaurus. Slowly look at the screen and write, children. Dashwan Velan. Where is Kavikartika? You don't have sheets also, copy it down in your English notebook, children. Write number 1 and copy down the answers. Afterwards, when you get the sheets, you can copy it down once again in that sheet. Finish writing the answer. Shall we move on to the next question? Yeah, good.
நீ கரெக்டா
Finish. Good.
அது மாதிரி எழுதாத, நீயும் கரெக்டா எழுது. நீயும் கரெக்டா எழுதுடா.
What ma'am has written you wrongly here? Okay, fine. Correct?
இப்ப பாரு இங்க பாரு.
Jason. Okay. Next question. Allosaurus were carnivorous, which means they ate other animals. Next answer is animals. Animals.
நான் சொல்லி கொடுக்கிறேன்.
Animals. 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 Very good. We're still copying down the answer. Now the third one. They had a large head with dozens of sharp and pointy teeth. Sharp. The next answer is sharp. Shall I erase it, children? Have you all finished the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll erase it, okay? Sharp. S-H-A-R-P. Sharp. S-H-A-R-P. Sharp. Here, what sound you are having, children? Here, can you tell me ch sound, th sound, or sh sound? Sh. Very good. Sh sound. S-H. You can see the S-H sound here. Sh. And then teeth. What sound can you hear in teeth? Teeth. Teeth. Finish. S-H-A-R-P. Sharp. Sh-A-R-P. Sharp. Now the fourth one, Allosaurus were so big that they used to hunt other large dash like Stegosaurus, large dinosaurs. We are going to write dinosaurs spelling. Now shall I erase the answer, children? Dinosaurs. D-I-N-O-S-A-U-R-S. Dinosaurs. D-I-N-O-S-A-U-R-S. Dinosaurs. Yes, very good, Hazel.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Parents, yesterday itself I have shared last year's Imagine Kid photos. I want you to take photos like that and send it to the group. Okay? Along with your child, you open that app and then you scan those sheets, take a shot and send it in group. Finished? Finished, everyone? Is there anyone still writing?
Ma'am, again writing, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Rub it in fast, Mahilini. After scanning, you can focus that camera near the wall also, parents. You can see those 3D images moving on the wall also.
Please, ma'am.
Yes, good, Keshav. Finish, Mahilini?
No, no.
Yeah.
Finish. Okay. Next, Mama is going to go to the app now. Kidsy Imagine app. Yes. First, open Kidsy Imagine app. Then you will get like this: playgroup, nursery, junior KG, senior KG. Click on junior KG. And then go to the coloring sheets. So what is the dinosaur we have done now? That is Allosaurus. So where is Allosaurus? Can you find here? Touch in the screen, children. What is the dinosaur that we colored now? Allosaurus. Where is it? Yeah, very good. Now we are going to click Allosaurus. Okay, now ma'am is going to scan. It will be in red color. When you scan it clearly, you will get it in green. Yes? Now the dinosaur is going to run. Yes? Now next it's going to attack. You can hear it with sound in your mobile app, children, okay? Here, one more time it's going to run. And then it's going to attack now. Okay? So this way you have to do it in your app, okay? And then when you're doing it in your app, I want you to take a shot of that, okay? Parents, please take photo of that and send it in group. This is the way you do, children, okay? Can anyone do it now? Is there anyone who has downloaded the app?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute. Let me stop sharing. Yeah, can anyone do and show it now? Yes, Sukhrev is doing right. Very good, Sukhrev. Yes, when you move your phone, no, you can make that picture even more bigger. Along with it, and then a camera is also there. You can take photos using that camera also.
How to make the picture big, ma'am? Like that.
Yes, you just have to stand up. When you stand or when you move back, you can see that picture very big.
Wow. Yeah, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Last time also I showed you, right, when we were learning extinct animals, I showed you that dinosaur moving along the laptop and all. When you move back or when you focus that camera a little bit backward or towards the wall, you can see it bigger. Yes, Radhyani, good. Yeah, fine. This is the way you have to do. Very good. Yes, after the session also you can try, children. That is correct only. What you are all doing is right only. After that, you make your child sit on the floor and then you focus the camera, lift it little bit up. Then you can see the picture little bit bigger. And there is a camera option also. You can click for photos. Okay. So come on, children, play with it after the session. Thank you so much for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, everyone. Yes, bye, children. Bye, everyone. Yes, bye, everyone.